In this video, you will learn how to create Facebook account. So let's begin. So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So simply go and open your Facebook app. Here we go. So once you are here at the bottom, you can see create an account. Just simply go and tap on it. Now it says join. Facebook will help you to create an account in few easy steps. Tap on get started. Here simply go and enter your name, first name, and the last name. So simply going into that, so once you have done so, you need to provide your date of birth. So simply go and select your date of birth. So once you have selected a date of birth, tap on continue. Select your gender or custom if you don't want to show your gender, and enter your mobile phone number, or you can use your email. So tap on use your email. If you want to use the email, so here we go. So once you have done, so simply go and tap and go create your password. So once you create your password and tap on sign up, and your account will be created, and a verification link will be sent to your email. In case if you have signed up through your mobile account, you will be sent an SMS verification code. After entering on the next screen, and your account will be created. So, hope it has helped you in creating the Facebook account on Android or iPhone. Before you go, please like, subscribe, and share.